Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. Today in this small video we are going to review Academia. Academia is an app as well as the website. It's available in both forms and you can use it to scroll through various resources in the forms of articles, books, etc. and find out details uh, which you can use in your research, in your writings, in your assignments, etc., whatever you want to do with it. So let's open this. I have it in app form in my cell phone because this makes life easier, as I can store various information within the app as well. So I have made my account in here. This is going to show me various things which happened before I logged on to it. Okay, and I have logged on using my name. So you can just sign in, give your name, your email address, whichever one you're using, make a profile. Let's see, like my profile is kind of like this right now. I have a small biography there as well. Whatever you want to do, like how much you want to fill, you can fill it up. All right, so what can you do? You look at the screen and look at the ending of the screen. You have home, library, search, analytics, and mentions. When I Let's start with mentions. When I upload something into this website, into this app, and someone uses what I have uploaded from my text, like if I've written an article or whatever I've uploaded, if someone uses data I have provided and then mentions me somewhere else, that's going to go into mentions. All right, analytics is like how many people have viewed my paper, my profile, who has visited it, things like that. If you're new, you'll probably just be focused on search. So you can type the title, you can type the name of a person, you can type anything you remember and then use that to find out your data, your article, whatever it is you're looking for. Let's say I am looking for the let's start with an author. I know an author. Okay, so I've typed an author. Did not match. Maybe I typed the name wrong. Possible. That's also possible. So you can try various things. You can try last name as well. I'm giving you options, okay? This is just like, see, all three times it did show me something. So you can use it. Let's go with the first one. So it's showing me this is the person, this is the followers, this is what he has done. Okay, and some of the things he has uploaded or been mentioned in. Okay, this is one possibility for you. What else? Let's see. Because I'm a student of translation, so I'm going to try to find a book on translation. So let's type introduction to translation. So this book is available, okay, somewhere on it because I've seen it here. So what is it showing me? It's showing me a bunch of things. Now whatever you want, you can just click on it. It'll open. You can save it in your library. Library is after search. In the bottom you can see this bar on it. There are various icons in it. You can find library. So I can save it for later. Okay, but this makes life so much easier. So see, there are a ton of things which you can use. So let's see, let's try. This is a PDF of a PowerPoint presentation. It has been saved into my library. I went to library and this was saved. Let's open it. I can open it. I cannot take the summary because I don't have a premium account. I'm using the free account. All right, this is the this was going to show me related articles, but I think my internet is rather slow today, so that's not working, that requires more data. Okay, so you can see various things have been. Now this obviously I cannot quote because there was no proper article. This is just for data, like maybe I want some information or something, I can use this. But to quote properly as a reference, obviously you're going to require a credible piece of paper article, okay, like a book or something. So this is, again, this I had saved before sometime. Let's see if I have something. Look, I have this book. This is the 4th edition of this book. I have the whole book saved in the form of a PDF. Made my life so much easier in BS and in MS later on, because I had my cell phone with me always. This was available in offline mode as well, and I could just scroll down rather than carry this book all the time. And every time I needed something, I can quote, because this is a book, this is a credible source. So I could just write the name of the author, the year it was published in. Let me show you how you can find that if you're new to this. So this is the beginning, this is the first page. Some books will have dates here as well, but you can see this is 4th edition. Name of author is here, name of book is here. Okay, let's find out the year it was published in. It should be after this page, this main page. So this is 4th edition. You can see now this is in 2016. So you can write his last name 2016 and the page number. Let's say I want to quote something from page number. This is chapter number 1 and I'm quoting the definition of translation on this page. So this is page number 8. That's all I have to write. Name of author, probably his last name, followed by the year it was published in, that's 2016, followed by page number, that's page number 8, and you have a reference. All right, so the link to this book I will add in the description of this video, and you can use that as well. Save it in your save it in your cell phone in the form of this app. Download the app, make sign in, then open this book there, save it in your library and use it offline whenever you want. Okay, because it has some definitions, some introduction to introductory passages, you can say, of certain theories, which are very helpful because we often forget some stuff or we just want to quote some things, and this is a great book to do that. Okay, and I hope this helps, and do like and subscribe, and I'll keep showing you some other stuff, other apps and things which you can use, not just for translation for this one particular field, but for many other fields as well. You can find various articles and various things, and then you can use it for your benefit. If you look at the top, before I forget, if you look at the top, you have a lot of possibilities here as well, especially share. So you can copy the link, you can share the link, you can share the file as well, whatever works for you. I'm going to copy this link, and this link will be visible in the description, so you can benefit from there.